OP, our Dominican Sisters of St. Joseph School Superintendent, I have the honor to present to you the candidates for graduation of the Senior High School Department for the academic year 2022-2023, with 25 males and 20 females, a total of 45 students who have satisfactorily completed all the requirements of the Department of Education for the senior high school course.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as Dominican Sisters of St. Joseph School Superintendent, and with the concurrence of the Department of Education, I do confirm your completion of the course. I now confer you the title graduates with all the rights and privileges appertaining thereto. Certificates will now be awarded to you. I also take this opportunity to congratulate you and your dear parents and guardians for your artistic cooperation and support. Thank you also for your continuous patronage to Catholic education in St. Dominic de Guzman School Incorporation. God bless you all.